Okay, so today we're baking a cream cheese naan pizza. This is with naan bread. Glare there. Okay, there's 4 in a pack. And here's what it looks like when you take it out. It's like a flatbread. Okay, what we have here is some oregano, fresh or dried is fine. Some green chilies, some fresh basil, you can use dry for that too, diced tomatoes, diced green onion, mushrooms, I like to use canned, but you can use fresh, and here's some spinach. You don't have to use it, but a little bit of greenery is always good. And then we've got our crumbled bacon here. You want that really crispy. You don't want it chewy on your pizza. Okay, this here is our cream cheese mix, and that's mixed with 2 tablespoons of butter. And I've got my green pepper and onion and garlic in with this because my husband does not like green peppers, so I have to hide it and everything. So I put it in the blender, and then I mix it with my cream cheese. You're also going to need your own or any kind of pizza sauce you choose. I got the thicker stuff. I like the thicker stuff. And then I've got some mozzarella and some cheddar. Now, you do not want to use the bagged. You can, but they put a coating on it and it tends not to melt as nice. So if you could shred it yourself, that's great. Okay, then here on the stove I've got just some regular cream cheese melted, just so it's thicker. Okay, we're gonna assemble this. We're gonna take our naan, and first I'm going to put down my regular cream cheese. Spread that out. Kind of want that to the edge because that's going to keep your stuff in the middle of the pizza. So maybe thinner in the middle and then thicker on the outsides. Okay. Then I'm going to put some of my stuff that's mixed with green pepper and onion. Garlic. Spread a little bit of that on. Okay. Then we will put our pizza sauce on. Take some of that out. I like a lot of sauce. If you don't, put it on to however you like it. I'm a sauce girl. Alright. Spread that not to the edge. You want to keep your cream cheese border there. Okay. Then you're ready for the fun stuff. We're going to put some mozzarella on. And then your toppings. However you want to put them on is fine. I'm going to chop up my spinach a little bit. You could put a whole leaf, but and just spread it around however you want it. Could do a party with Build Your Own. This would be a great thing for that. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of my green chilies on here. My husband doesn't like these either, so we'll make him without, but some tomatoes. Alright, and I'm going to put my basil. I'm going to put a little bit of oregano. And my bacon. It's kind of like a BLT, but better. Alright. Then, what I do is I put a little bit more cheddar, just a little bit, and a little bit more mozzarella, just to keep everything on. And then I'll put my green onions on them last, just a couple. I'll garnish it at the end too with some. But I've got onions in my cream cheese, so we don't really need a whole lot of that. Okay, next we're going to be putting it in the oven at 350 for about 8 minutes. And I'll meet you back. Okay, here's our naan pizza. Looks delish. We're going to cut this bad boy. Oh, it's so gooey. Look at that.